Palm signs that reveal your wealth. There are so many lines on our palm that define our fate and personality. Some of the lines on our palm reveal about how lucky we would be in love or our financial stability. Here you can see some money lines on your palm that define your luck with wealth. When a line in your palm stretches from the base of the thumb to the region below the index finger, then it shows that you will have the potential to earn money. It will make the person wealthy. If there is a palm line that extends from the bottom of your thumb to the base of your little finger, it indicates that you will inherit a large sum of money from your family. On the other hand, if the line is too long and prominent, it indicates that the money you inherit will be good enough to run your life. Also, it is seen that if the line is not prominent and thick, it suggests that you will inherit wealth, but that will be short-lived. People who are good at the business, they will have a line that stretches from the base of the thumb to the base of the middle finger. On the other hand, if this line is very prominent and thick, you will earn enough money to run a successful business. It also suggests that you will communicate well and also have excellent marketing skills. If you have several short lines at the lower half of your thumb, it indicates that you will have a good financial flow in your life. The more the number of these lines present in your thumb, the more money you will have. If you have a line that runs vertically down in the middle of your palm, then it reveals your financial status. If your palm line is prominent and deeper at the bottom, then it is predicted that you will be wealthy at an early age. On the other hand, if the line is thick and prominent at the top, you will experience financial stability at a later stage in your life. This line also talks about your career. Apart from this, if you have a thick line that stretches from the bottom of your palm to the middle finger, suggests that you will have a stable and lucrative career in your life. The surface of your palm reveals a lot about your money matters. If you have a flat palm, it indicates that the person will be very poor. On the other hand, if you have a curved palm with depression in the middle, it indicates that you will be rich. The best kind of palm to suggest a wealthy life is a significant depression in the middle of the palm that can easily hold water without spilling when the hand is stretched. If your palm color is pink, and mounts are well developed, then you will have good luck throughout your life, and you tend to become successful with very less effort. These individuals are energetic, enthusiastic, and also have a positive outlook towards life. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.